This is a quick little video on how a commercial cleaning service can use press releases for their online presence. And often I will, and this can apply to commercial cleaning, commercial carpet cleaning, janitorial, anyone that is focused on the commercial market. And often I will talk about, I'll show this funnel and say, well, what's your objective? Why are we doing this? Then what the strategy, then techniques and tools. So I want to show you what our objective here is. This is actually perfect timing because I changed our business name. And if you Google the business name, up here is great. The business website comes up, and then a lot of our links pop up, so that's good. But then as you scroll down, you'll see that, well, my videos aren't showing because my videos are in my personal name. They're in my name, Shane Dubell. That's what my account is on YouTube, so they're not coming up. So I need to find ways to optimize these to push these out. And then for the press releases, as you can see, I have one here, and this is the objective. This is why we're doing it. Is when often people will forget our name, or you submit an estimate and they want to know who you are. Well, the first thing they do is they go Google your name and say, well, who is this company? And they're only going to look at the first page, and they're going to scroll down real quick. Where you can see, because I don't have a lot of online presence for this name yet, that there's some other people, and I want to clear these people out. I want to clear that one out. I want to clear that one out. And press releases is a simple way to clear all this out. And also, you have to remember that your average small business owner or manager, facility manager, whoever you're submitting estimates to, they're not too tech savvy. They're not going to understand this stuff. So they're just going to see that, oh, wow, this company has, some press. They got some articles out there, and that's going to really improve the awareness of your company. It's going to make your company look more professional. And I'll just click on this real quick just to show you where it goes to. This is a company, PR Log. You can do free press releases. I wouldn't do too many of them because you can attract a lot of spam with this kind of stuff. And I also want to point out that back in the day, these links were used. Google doesn't really pay attention to these links too much anymore, so I wouldn't do it for links these days. It's not really that effective. Now it would be if you were in the New York Times or your local newspaper did an article on you. Now that would be powerful, but you wouldn't want to do these for these links here. So this was just a quick video to show you, when you Google your business name, see what comes up, and look for ways to get links. And press releases are just a simple and a free way. If you just did 2 or 3 of them, then you can kind of clear this out. And I think if you Google this in a couple of months, you'll see that I'll have cleared all this stuff out.